Welcome, my dears. Before starting a project on MATLAB software, you need to adjust the parameters of the Simulink model. This is something that many researchers ignore. When they apply their work in real life, they do not find the same result that they obtained during the simulation. This is why we wanted this to be the first video that we put on our channel, because most of the courses will be on MATLAB software. This is the start time of the simulation. This is the end time of the simulation. For now, we leave it as is, but if you are doing real-time experiments with an electronic board such as the D-Space board, change it to infinity. Then we choose the fixed step calculation algorithm of type Odd 1, Euler. Subsequently, we must enter the sampling period. Choose, for example, 1 times 10 to the power of negative 3 or 1 times 10 to the power of negative 4. For the choice of this period, there is no fixed rule. Also, the choice of a smaller sampling period allows to reduce noise and oscillation in signals such as the torque of the machine. But do not forget that this choice can increase the calculation time. In this box, you must specify the model operating mode. We leave you like that auto. In optimization, uncheck the block reduction box. Still in optimization, then signals and parameters, then uncheck the signal storage reuse box. Go to hardware implementation, then in device vendor, choose generic, device type custom. Byte ordering, big endian, and for the parameter signed integer division, rounds to 0. Then go to code generation, then choose in system target file, the RTI1104.tlc file. If you are using a D-Space card, if no electronic card is connected to the computer, leave it as is. And for the language, choose C to generate a C code. Then click on Apply. You can then run the program and generate the C code by clicking on. The C code will be created, compiled, and sent to the electronic card that you use, for example, D-Space. A .stf file will then be generated in the working directory. This file contains all the variables used in your Simulink program. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or topics that you couldn't solve, leave them for us in the comments. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive everything new.